So hello and welcome to part 8 of the RGV 250 rebuild. Hopefully I'm going to get it running today. It's a bit late, it's sort of 1 o'clock now. I was hoping to get in here a lot earlier, but hopefully I'll still have time to get it together and try and start it. Hopefully it'll run alright. That's the plan today. I haven't done anything to it since part 7, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to start doing a few bits on it and we'll go from there. Right, so the cables are all connected up now. Throttle cables and oil pump cable, so we're all sort of done up there really. Got the side casing on. I've set up the oil pump as well, so all the adjustments right on the oil pump. I've put the power valve cables on, so they're connected, and I'm now going to set them up. So just set all the power valves up, so that's my next job. So we've got the power valve cables are now all adjusted up, and I've got the side casing on, kickstart, and I've filled it up with oil. As you can see, it's all running at a level bung at the moment, so I'll put that back in a bit. So next job really, I'm going to get the engine cradle on there, get that bolted on, and then obviously we can go from there. We can get all the radiator on and stuff like that. So we are getting there now. Alright, so we are getting there now. We've got the engine cradle on there. I've got the exhaust on as well. So we are getting there, look. We're nearly all back together. I've got the clamps to put on the end cans, but I'll do that later. Just want to see if I can get it started today before it gets too late. So yeah, hopefully we will do soon. What I'll do now is I'll put the radiator on and airbox. I might put the airbox on, I don't know, I might not bother. I might just get the fuel tank on and then start it up and just make sure it runs alright really. But we'll see. We'll just do a bit more and see how we go. So it's been a couple of days since I last filmed. As you can see, I've got it back together now. Fuel tank's on, radiator filled up with water and everything. And I've actually had it running now. I've set the idle up on it. I did have a little trouble with the choke cable. I needed more free play, so I've sorted that out. I've got the oil pipes on now to the cylinders because I've been running it and oil started coming out of there, so I've put them on. And I've actually drained all the fuel out of the fuel tank because it had an oil mix in there, didn't it? So I've took that out and I've put fresh fuel in there now, so it's just got fuel in it, not an oil fuel mix. And yeah, it ran really nice, so I'll just show you what it ran like. So it seems to be running alright now. Obviously I need to take it for a proper ride and that, make sure the gearbox is okay and everything once I've got it MOT'd. But obviously there's a few bits to do still. I've got to do the foot pegs, I've got to clean them all up and everything, sort them out, polish them up, and the actual gear lever as well, gear linkage, got that to do. Same as this side, got to sort the foot pegs out for this side and that. rear sets and the brakes as well. Master cylinder, I need to put a new seal kit in that, and then obviously put the pipe on, brake pipe, bleed the brakes up. Need to put the clamps on the exhaust and make a little bracket up as well for the exhaust. Then obviously put all the fairings on, polish all the fairings up, make it look nice. Yeah, and then take it for an MOT. Hopefully it'll pass, sure it will. And then obviously, you know, take it for a good ride and that, and make sure it's all right. Run it in a bit, make sure the gearbox is okay, hopefully that's all right. And yeah, it'll be all done. So that's the end of part 8. So I'll see you in part 9. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook. And I'll see you all soon.